Hi guys, let's talk about the 10 things I absolutely love about the Sony a7 III. Number one, it's a $2,000 full frame SLR. Maybe the best full frame SLR or DSLR at that price point in the history of cameras. Number two, it's 24 megapixels, which I really like when it comes to sports photography because when you're shooting multi-pictures, you can do up to 89 pictures over a 10-second period in RAW. So what that means is you can almost take 10 pictures per second for almost 10 seconds straight. That is amazing for a sports photographer. Number three, this is a great camera for sports photography. Going back to the price point, it's under $2,000 and you can take professional photos at any sporting event. Number four, the ISO capability on this thing is amazing. You can go in the upwards of 4,000 plus ISO and still look extremely clean. Again, I don't know any camera at that price point that can look this clean when you pull your ISO up that high. Number five, it has 5-axis stabilization, which means when you're shooting video, it does an excellent job of stabilizing it, even if you're holding it in your hand, and even better if you're using a monopod, a tripod, or a slider. You're just gonna get really nice, smooth, clean stabilization of video. Number six, it works great with the Metabones version 5 and the version 4. As you guys can see here, I have one right here. So for those of you that moved over to Sony and or have Canon glass, this does a great job far as video is concerned. It's pretty smooth, not as smooth as you would want it, but when it comes to taking pictures, it's like shooting with a native lens far as the autofocus is concerned. I've used it at weddings, I've used it for sports, and it does a great job tracking and getting that autofocus. I do wish it did a little bit better in video, but again, for those people that have Canon glass and can't afford to switch over to Sony glass, the Metabones works fantastic with the Sony a7 III. Number seven, the focus peaking on this thing is amazing. So those of you that are using manual or Canon lenses when shooting video and want to manually focus, with the focus peaking option, you can focus super quick. Again, with the focus peaking, it shows what and where things are in focus, and you can constantly be changing your focus ring as you're moving your camera, something that a lot of Canons don't offer, and it makes it really easy for getting that nice, clean video shot. Number eight, it is extremely lightweight, making it very easy to hold it for a long period of time, especially if you're shooting weddings, doing sports, or any kind of event where you are going to be holding the camera for a while. Or if you're using two bodies and you maybe got like a black rapid setup where you have both bodies connected, again, it is going to cut down on fatigue of your body. Number nine, the battery finally lasts a lot longer. The original batteries that they had in the A7R2, A7 II, A7S II, those batteries would die so quick. The FZN100 batteries are amazing, and you're going to get a lot more battery life out of them, almost 2.5 times more. And with some of these third-party batteries that are coming out, you can even get a little bit longer than the original Sony manufacturer batteries. And number 10, one of the coolest things that this camera offers, again, under the price point of $2,000, is 120 frames per second. Again, let me say that, 120 frames per second at 1080p. So anybody that's trying to get amazing slow-mo, this camera at this price point is just unbelievable. Okay guys, if you made it this far and you enjoyed our top 10 things, check out our newest video, which is going to be right here. Down here in the corner, there'll be a link to the camera itself on B&H. If you guys do happen to purchase it, it does give us a little commission, helps us keep moving along and making videos for you guys every day. And as always, go on and hit that subscribe button down below because they know there's going to be some more amazing videos you're going to want to check out. We'll catch you next time.